Hey, and welcome back to another video. So here I have my two Fiats, and we're going to start off by talking about the Fiat Barchetta, the car I've owned for 4.5 years now. It's my baby. It's been broken for a long time, but I can finally say that all the lights on the dashboard have turned off. So if you remember from a previous video, I talked about the issue being a 4,200 euro fix for the ABS pump. You can't get them as new anymore from anywhere, and the Fiat service just wanted to get rid of me, was my conclusion of that offer. So what I did was I called the old buyer of my spare parts car, and I made an offer for the ABS pump, and he accepted the offer for 100 euros. And then I called my good friends at Atoy, and they hooked me up, they installed it, and at the same time they put the wheel straight, and that cost 300 euros. So I saved 3,800 euros, meaning it cost a total of about 400 euros to get this 4,200 euro fix fixed, taken care of. No lights on the dashboard, the wheels are straight. Some things that we still have to do with the car. Cosmetically, it's not in perfect condition. You can see it has some scuffs. I recently did this myself. It's not in perfect condition, which no car is that's over 20 years old. But as we were fixing the problems with my main car, let's put the lights on. Thank you. We were fixing the issues with my main car. Some issues started showing up with Gertrude, my Fiat Panda. Okay, so as we were taking care of the issues with the Fiat Barchetta, some issues with Gertrude, my Fiat Panda, started showing up. So this is 2005 Fiat Panda with almost 200,000 kilometers on a 1.2 liter engine. It's been running flawlessly. It's been really reliable and fuel efficient, everything that Bella, my Barchetta, isn't. Until now. I'll come here and I'll show you some of the issues. So the airbag light was something that started popping up from the very beginning, but it's been going on and off, so I haven't been thinking about it too much. But the hack that we did to solve this issue is that you turn the airbag off and on like so, and that will actually resolve the issue. Airbags in Fiats are very sensitive. Fortunately, I have very much experience with airbags in Fiat, so temporarily this seems to have solved the issue at hand. Some few minor issues, but mostly the cars are in pretty good condition and are ready to be sold off. Firstly, I would try to sell the Fiat Barchetta. The season is about to start, so I think that won't be an issue at this point. I will lose a lot of money on it, but I've already lost a lot of money on it. And then after that, we might sell this one before getting the next car, depending on my financial situation. But that's what's up. And then we thought, well, I have two Fiats, not the most interesting of cars. So to make it a little bit more interesting, we went out and we shot a drag race for you all. We brought the drone out, we had the GoPro, we had the camera, we forgot the mics, but forget the sound quality, just enjoy the clip that's coming right up. So yeah, here's the drag race between two dumb cars. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this week's video, but I hope I didn't bore you guys to death with that drag race. I tried to make it the most interesting I could with the resources that I had, but I would like to ask you, would you like to see me drag race some of my friends that you've seen on the channel, or if you yourself would like to drag race me and you are somewhere in the area of Finland or the Helsinki region, comment down below if you would like to see me do either of those things. And then I will put up the Barchetta for sale next week. I don't think it's going to be a problem to sell it now that it doesn't have any warning lights on the dashboard. So we'll sell it at a reasonable price. I'll start working full time for the summer soon. So I think we'll be able to purchase another car by the end of the summer if we can sell both my cars, or one of the cars at least. Because there's no point in me having like basically 3 Fiats at one time. So I would like to compare the Barchetta and the Abarth, but I don't think that's very wise to have those 2 cars and a lot of money locked up into both. So we're planning on getting the Abarth next, and we'll see where that takes us. That's going to be it for this week's video. I hope you liked it. Please do comment if you would like to see me do anything else. Click the subscribe button if you are new, and press the like button. It does help me out. It does help the videos get traction and motivates me to do more videos like these. So that's gonna be it for this week's video. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video I make. Peace. 5 seconds after the video, it's hailing right now. I don't know if you can tell, but good thing we have 2 cars.